Calling Pizza and Brew. Gonna tell him there's a screw. Hey, hello? Hello? Can you hear me? Oh, listen. Alright, alright. This is a little bit of a complication, alright? I'm calling because I had a little bit of a problem with the pickup that I ordered there tonight. Hey, can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Can hear you.
Yeah, I made a pickup order around 6 o'clock, but my wife picked it up.
Right.
I just got home from work now just to eat it right now. It's been sitting on the table, you know? And I'm sitting there, I'm eating, I got the spaghetti and meatballs, you know? Hey, you hear me?
Yes, spaghetti with.
I got the spaghetti with meatballs, alright? Now listen, this is where it goes crazy over here. So I'm eating my spaghetti and meatballs, and all of a sudden I look inside and I see something shiny inside there. I pick it with the fork and I pick it up, it's a screw. Hey, you heard me? You hear me? Yeah, no, I was sitting there, I was eating my dinner, I was, spinning up the spaghetti on the fork, and all of a sudden I look, and I see there's a little piece of metal in there. So I pick it up with the fork, and it's a screw! A screw! A little screw!
Okay.
What are you guys trying to screw me?
Can you be able to read?
I mean, I'm looking at the meatballs, I'm shifting them around. I can't believe I found a screw. I mean, what do you guys must be, screwing around with me or something.
That's why I need to see the screw, sir, to find out really what happened, like what happened inside the kitchen, how that screw getting there.
Well, what are you guys doing? You guys doing construction back there or something? You got screws flying all over the place? I mean, I ordered spaghetti and meatballs, not spaghetti and screws.
Sir, I need to see the screw. That's why I want to find out.
Oh no, I'll come in with the screw. I got, it's about a, it's not a big screw, it's a little screw, you know?
I can tell you what's going on because,
I thought you were a manager.
yes, sir. So,
I mean, you guys got like a box of screws back there or something?
not at all, sir.
Or do one of your employees working part-time as a carpenter or something?
Sir, that's why I need to see the
Listen, do you have a mustache?
any way that you can bring the screw, sir.
Okay, yeah, I'll call. Wait, are you guys gonna be open right now? I'll be there in like 15 minutes, but are you guys gonna be around?
Yes, we're gonna be around definitely, sir. We close.
Do you have a mustache? Do you have a mustache?
Pardon me?
Do you have a mustache?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a mustache.
Yes.
Is it like long, like a long mustache, or is it like a short mustache?
I have a mustache, sir. It's like, I am the only one.
You're the only guy in the place with a mustache?
Yes.
Alright, what's your hair look like? What do you got, your hair's brushed back?
Yes.
You brush it back? What color is it, like brown or something?
I'm gonna be around. Maybe Oscar's gonna be here. He's the general manager, so we can work out. And
Yeah, take a look around, you know what I mean? Because, I mean, I mean, I already ate the spaghetti, you know. I ate around the screw, but because you know I'm hungry. I just got home from working, you know.
Sir, I understand.
You know, I mean, all I got left is the screw. I ate the spaghetti. I ate the meatballs, you know.
Yes.
But I got the screw, you know. It's covered in marinara sauce.
Yeah, yes, sir. That's why I gotta find out.
You guys are really screwing me up over here. I mean, I wasn't gonna eat the screw.
Yes, sir.
What's your name?
David.
Jaden?
David.
David?
Yes.
Okay, listen. So you're the only guy in a mustache with a mustache. I'm gonna go in there. I'm gonna say, is David with the mustache here?
Okay, sir. They're gonna be around here.
What time are you going home?
For David or Oscar, sir. We're gonna be here. So if it's not, I mean.
What about Oscar? Does Oscar have a mustache?
Yes.
Oscar has a mustache too?
Yes, sir.
I thought you said you were the only guy with a mustache. Well, how many people got mustaches? You know, I mean, I don't want to walk in and talk to the wrong guy.
If you can with the screw so we can find out what.
Alright, well listen, so how many people got mustaches in there?
Two.
Only,
They have money than me.
so only 3 guys. You're not leaving anyone out.
No, sir. Nobody else.
Alright, because I'm gonna come up to a couple guys with mustaches, and I'm gonna show them.
We're gonna be here.
Alright. Hey, I got a mustache too, you know? Alright, thank you.
Okay.
They're more concerned. Vinny the Screw. Alright, it's your turn.